Hello.
Hello,
Good evening.
good evening.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great. What about you?
We are also fantastic. So, as we are meeting first time, would you please introduce yourself to us?
Yes, definitely, sure. And thank you giving me a wonderful platform to introduce myself. As you know, my name is Manisha Reddy. I hails from Jharkhand, but I born and brought up in Andhra, Vishakhapatnam. And if I'm talking my education, I am pursuing my engineering, electrical and electronics background in Odisha. And my hobbies, if I'm talking my hobbies are sketching, drawing, and wall painting, and reading books. And I love to do badminton and exploring new things. That's it.
Okay, so do you have any YouTube channel?
Yes, I have. I'm running nowadays. I'm running YouTube channel.
What is your YouTube channel's name?
My YouTube channel name is like a Manori Reddy.
So
A dot Manori Reddy. I will send link.
are
I
you
will
ready?
send direct. Yes? No, no.
Okay. So may we introduce ourselves?
Yes, yes, definitely.
So thank you very much. First of all, I would like to tell you that my name is Muwaj bin Masood, and as you can see with me, my sister Maliha bin Masood. We are from Dinajpur district, your neighbor country Bangladesh. I hope you know enough thing about my country Bangladesh. And we study same class, class 7. We are siblings and twins baby. I think that's all. Class.
And what is your hobbies?
My hobby is blogging and talking to people.
Okay, that is interesting. And your sister?
And my hobby is a number of and such as writing, studying, and blogging and speaking English.
Yes, that is great. Okay. Could you
How
ask something?
how long have you been learning English?
Yes, sure. I have been learning for 2 years, but didn't I didn't consistency. That's why I wasn't able to make frame the sentences. Nowadays, I'm giving a consistency and I'm talking. I'm interacting a different kind of mentors, co-learners, and friends, and as you like friends and childrens.
When have you started your English journey?
Um, Actually, I started before 2 years ago. I already mentioned like I didn't give a consistency. That's why I didn't interact face to face, like eye to eye contact, and I were using a audio call in like S Fluency or in Varta platforms and other so many platforms. They are giving a like a free, they're giving free for that. And yes, that's it.
What's the state's name?
My state name is Jharkhand, near West Bengal. It's a near, yes.
How many members are there in your family?
There are 5 members including me, and my father and my mother and my elder sister, and me and my brothers, twins, like you, as a similar.
Who is Ilda?
My elder sister, me, actually I'm a middle one, and then after my brother, it's a one, I think it's a 1 minute difference.
Oh, 1 minute different.
Yes.
Can you tell us about your country?
In our India.
Yes.
Yes.
India is the largest country, largest all over the, it's very famous, and the capital city is named the Delhi, as you know very well. And now I am living in a Jharkhand. Jharkhand is a very it's a large and diversity city, and it's a it has a multinational company. Do you know the Tata Steel? Tata
Yes.
Steel, Jamshedji Tata.
Tata, Tata.
Actually, he, yes, yes. I actually near that in a Jamshedpur. That Tata Steel is situated in a Jamshedpur.
Okay, so are you from village or city?
I am from city.
Oh, so you are from city. Okay.
But we are from village.
No problem. Today only I seen both of you because I would like to talk with you guys because you are a twins and you are a Bangladesh, West Bengal. It's a near state. That's why I had a curious to ask. Know about you both.
So can you tell us that who make you inspired to learn English?
Uh, the, yes, definitely. Actually, I belongs to a Hindi medium. I didn't know how to speak or how to frame the sentences, but when I switched my career like a diploma to when I did a diploma, the time I had to switch like a one career to one career, like a Hindi to English. The time I will not able to making the sentences, or I will not able to speak or conversations my mentors or professors, and almost my friends were belongs to a English medium. They were able to good speakers, good command their means they had a good command on this language. And I felt like I have to practice on my skills and my communication skills, because in a future it has a beneficial for me or my for my future. Because why it is, because if because I had a fear, or I don't means I didn't have a confidence to talk. And if because I had to interact the interviewer, I had to interview, but that time I couldn't crack the interview, and that I felt very low. And that then I decided, okay, I will do, because in a future I have to face, I will have to face the interview. And if I am pursuing my engine it's a graduation or something, but in future it is a very essential, and it is a very significant role in everywhere. Because if you're going to a higher studies, or if you're going to abroad, or if you're like a teaching field, if you're going to teaching field or medical field, every field it is a required, it is a necessary. That's why because I have to face the interview. Because I actually I select the campus selections, I have to do a MNC company job. That time I didn't select, and that was a guilt, and I was very hurt that time. And there are a lot of friends were making me a pulling my leg, they are making me a teasing type. And that's where I had a curious to learn this language. And then after I were practicing, but I didn't have an environment to talk to the people. And nowadays I will nowadays I'm watching in a YouTube channel. There is a non limit age, because in after retirement also they are doing very fabulous job. They are working their communication skills, they are speaking very well as compared to me. It doesn't matter if you're child or if you're students or if you're professionals, because every generations they're performing very well in my opinion. And that's why I think, okay, I also improve my communication skills. And if we if it comes to a celebrities, they are talking very well. I like Muniva Manjari man. She is from Pakistan. Muniva Manjari, do you know?
Sorry?
Muniva Manjari ma'am.
No,
No.
we don't know.
She is from Pakistan. I actually it is, she is inspired, and she gives her motivational stories. And that's inspired to me. Okay, because I like her speech. You go and YouTube search the channel YouTube Muniva Manjari ma'am. She is
Manija?
fabulous. Muniva Manjari ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, she is from Pakistan. And then after I decided, okay, I have to learn, because in it it help to my futures and my career. If I learn this language, then I able to crack anything, crack an interview or competitive examinations, or if I'm going to prepare a government or private sectors. That's why I'm preparing, and I had low confidence, and I can express my thoughts in audio call, but when I it comes to face or eye to eye contact, then I'm going to like a little fear, means I have a little fear, and I don't have a confidence. That's why I'm nowadays I'm improving.
So please give us some suggestions so that we can improve our speaking English.
No, like that is a suggestions, but if you have a give consistency and do hard work, and it doesn't matter you know or no, don't know. But if you're speaking daily basis and if you regularly practice, then definitely one day you will become a good fluency on your English language.
Yes, we
Because
also.
now, yes, now also I am not able to frame the sentences, make the frame means the correct sentences, because I am also beginner. I am a not a, like a, I am not a mentor, or I am not a I am also learning from you, and I am gaining from you something. And that thing that should you think that things, because if you are connecting to the people, then you know and you can realize to them, okay, I we can relate and we can
Okay.
learn a new thing. If you're talking more and more, then it would come definitely.
So, do you have any question about us? You can ask.
Okay, nowadays it's going a Ramjan, then how it is,
How have you
I
know it?
think. Yes, I think both are fast today.
Yes,
Means today every day is a 30 for 30 days, I think, no?
30 days.
it is running
Yes,
Ramadan.
yes,
Are you Muslim
yes.
or Hindu?
No, I'm not Muslim, but yes, I had a friends, Muslim friends. And
Okay.
Muniva Manjari ma'am, she belongs to a Muslim background, but it doesn't mean it is a Hindu or Muslim. But I like her speech. If you listen that videos, then you also like, and you also you can get inspired to her, because he couldn't able to stand herself. If you're watching her videos, then you definitely you learn from her. You know,
Respect every religion.
she is a Muslim religion. I am. If you're talking means me about me, I'm a Hindu.
No, I'm saying that do you respect every religion?
Yes, definitely. Why not? Because every religion is the same. It that doesn't mean if you are Muslim or I am a Hindu. I am not discriminating anything. I am because I I were spending a lot of time with the Muslims, because I had a lot of Muslim friends. I doesn't compare you are Muslim or I am a Hindu, because she like, I also like. She respect, I also respect that things.
We,
We are
I'm a
also
human
thinking.
being. We are. You are also a human being.
Huh? What?
I also think like this. A human being. You are also a human being.
Yes. God is one, nothing. It's a whatever you are praying that God, we are also that same thing. We are also praying, and we also calling a one God, and that is not matter, because I like both things.
Okay. Can you tell us the beautiful places in India?
Okay, would you like to come here, or
No.
definitely you come?
Actually,
Or would you like to? Yes.
my father
It's a
had.
India. India has a multi culture or traditionals and customs. Here it's you can visit here. There's many temples and like a Lal Kila, and it's a Delhi in Delhi. It's a now is it recently it invaded Ayodhya like a Ram Mandir, and it's a Hyderabad. Actually, that much I don't have a knowledge, but yes, I am saying it is very famous like a Tirupati. If you're talking a south in our our side, that it's a Tirupati is very famous. If you're going to our north, the north is it is a very famous for Vaishnavi Mandir. Vaishnavi Mandir, and it's a golden temple also there. It's Amritsar. It's situated in Amritsar, and thereafter, if it comes to like a uh, Tamil Nadu, like it's also south. There are lot of temples and a mosque, like a masjid. It's a mosque or something. It's telling. I'm not recalling that one. Now, actually, I am not able to recall that name. Mosque or something. It's calling. Masjid also, and in a Bangalore there are ISKCON temple, ISKCON temples, and yes, there are various
Yes.
things.
Had this name ISKCON Temple.
Yes, ISKCON temple and Puri Jagannath. Do you know
Yes?
Puri Jagannath? It's a
No,
Odisha. It's situated in Odisha.
no,
We don't had this name.
Yes, yes, and West Bengal also. They are like a Calcutta Kali. It's a situated. It's very famous temple. Like it's a god, Kali.
so do you want
Kali.
to know about our country?
Ah, yes, definitely. Why not? I also like. I would like to curious to know both of you.
So the name of my country is Bangladesh. It is an riverine country. Also, it is an agriculture country. I think it totally depends on agriculture, and there are a number of actually rivers in my country. So I heard that there are 230 rivers in my country.
Two
It is
hundred.
30,
Yes, yes.
and there is it has also a actually sea named Bay of Bengal, and Cox's Bazar is Cox's Bazar sea beach where we can visit it. Not only native people go there, but also foreign people go there to see the beauty of the place. Yes, I have also future plan to go there, and
Yes.
uh, I want to tell you that this is the longest sea beach in the world.
Okay, okay. Yes, yes.
Yes, not only there, but also Kuakata, Jaflong in Sylhet, Paharpur Bauddha Shampur Mahavihar, and so much more. And if I talk about my district, there is most popular temple named Kandoju Temple in my country, Bangladesh. I have visited once time, and my sister also visited there. So I think to visit somewhere and to speak in English there, I think it is very good for all of us. So I think we should finish this conversation right now. Actually, before starting this conversation, we was studying, and I get
Okay,
Okay, we will try.
okay.
okay. Goodbye.
Then bye. Nice conversations with both of you. Bye.